Welcome back. This video will show you how to use them from when they arrive at your house. Okay, as I said earlier, there's this one here that whichever nails you order will come in this. Now also inside of that you will get 12 sticky tabs. Now these tabs are quite strong. They have a strong hold on these nails. Now, we'll have to you have to actually try and pry it off. It depends. If you've had it on for 4 days, then maybe it'll just come off. But these are so good if you are a nurse or you work in hospitality, any of that, because that way you can go out, have some pretty nails, and then go home, take them off, and go to work the next day. Okay, so I'll just show you that. All right, so as you remember, we did the measurements of your fingers. So this one here is number 1, and on it I've got 1 and the measurement. I've actually got 8 on that, but 9 on that measurement, and that will fit onto this finger. So they'll be in the same order as they are. Now these little sticky tabs, I'll just use some of these older ones that I've got. There's a little circle, I don't know if you can see it. It sort of has an arch on it. So that is where you would put that on your nail. Peel that little sticky piece off. It's just a tiny little piece of plastic. Find that circle and put it down at the cuticle edge of your nail. Actually, I've forgotten something. Before you actually put these on, it's a good idea to file your nail first. Sorry, I will go back a step. So you file your nail, push your cuticles back, whether you use an orange wood stick or a cuticle pusher, but I'm just using the file and just etching the plate. And then I would go along and just wipe them all down with nail polish remover. Don't use the ones that have got oils or vitamins in it, because it will just make an oily plate. Okay, and then when that dries, we'll go back to this. We just take that little tab of plastic off and we press it onto our nail, and it will eventually, what happens is it comes off just like that. All right, and then this nail, you just push it down at the cuticle and away you go, and that's you. So now I'll just do another one. It's upside down. No, it's not. Okay, so I'll just do this one. Right, once again, you push it in and roll it around and get it to stay on. And peel this piece off. Oh, we'll go from another way. No, needs a bit more pushing. If it doesn't come off easy, just push it a little bit more, because it should be coming off fairly easy. No, okay, there we go. And so we need nail number 3, because it's the 3rd one in. And then you push that nail on. Okay, make sure it's nice and firm. And I'll do this one here, even though the tab's really not the right size for it. But if your tabs are a bit too big, you can always trim them back. But I would use the ones that are as close to the right size as possible. Okay, that came off nice and easily. And this one's finger number 5, and on the back I've got 5 with 15 millimeters, which means it's finger number 5, and that's the measurement. Okay, and then we push that right on. Now, oh yeah, I'll put the others on. Okay, another small one down here. Actually, I probably went a bit too small, but that's okay. If you want it to last you for hours and hours, then I'd be picking a better, more appropriate fit. Okay, so number 2, the cuticle, and then push it down. And you see they actually fit quite well. And just one more, I shall do this one here. Once again, just using that little oval part down near the cuticle. Try not to get it on the cuticle. If you stick it within your nail bed, it's going to work better. Rub a bit more. There we go. And this one here, which is number 2. No, it's not. It's number 4. And you press that on. And they actually look quite pretty. There's 3 sizes. There's this one which is long, then there's a medium, which is about halfway, and then a short, which is just above your finger bed sort of thing. It's probably just about to there. So medium and long, short, medium, long. I'll actually have those measurements a bit better for you in the eBay shop. Okay, all right, so that's these. Now, taking them off. This one's only got a little sticky tab on there, but you see it's actually really quite well on there. So I've actually got a pair of tweezers, and I will just sort of push underneath to try and lift it gently, because they do get stuck really well. Now, if you find that it's not coming off too easy, you just have to persevere. And there we go. It was a bit of a trick, a bit of a stubborn little one. Make sure you take all your sticky tab off your nails. If you wear them for a couple of days, I'm sure it's going to get easier to take them off. You sort of wiggle. Here we go, that's a bit better. I'm doing the wiggle trick. Maybe I'll try it on this one. Yep, that's much better. So you just wiggle it off, but you have to actually put a bit of effort behind it. Okay, there we go. And they all go back onto their appropriate numbers, their matching numbers, and you're done. Thank you for looking at my nails and how to apply them. You can contact me through Facebook on @nails@BenoraPoint, just the same as here. Okay, thank you.